Hey y'all, it's your friend D, and in a previous video I shared with you guys the Monster High figurines from the Dollar Tree. I was able to find Frankie, Claudine, Laguna, and Draculaura. I did not find Cleo, so I went to a different store and I still didn't find Cleo, but I found new Barbie figurines for $1.25. Let's change the background to one that is more in scale with these figurines. A few months ago, I shared with you these Create a Town backgrounds that I found at the Dollar Tree. They worked very well with Chelsea dolls, but I think they would work even better with the Barbie figurines. It looks like the background is going to be a perfect size for the figurines, but I would like to hide this black lettering here at the bottom. The Dollar Tree has started putting out their Christmas items, and Cobblestone Corners is their Christmas Village line. And I found this 7-piece fence set in brown and white. So you get one door with a wreath on it and 6 sections of fence. Each section has faux greenery on it. There's one on the front and one on the back. I'm not sure if this is supposed to be grass or they're little bushes. And I just tried to take this off and it's on there pretty good. But I think you need to leave them on because they help the fence to stand up. Since we're not quite ready for Christmas yet, you could paint this bow orange to go more with the fall theme, but I'm gonna see if I can take it off. It looks like it's only held together by 2 pegs, unless they've glued it in place. I'm not sure, so I'm just gonna try to pull it off. Oh, and it came off, so it is just held together by the pegs. These do stand on their own, but if you're going to have them in your Christmas village or in a diorama, I would definitely secure them in place. And I'm not sure if I want to keep the door here, so we're just going to move it out of the way. Here's the first figurine out of the packaging, and these are really nice. I did double check all of my figurines before I purchased them and make sure that their paint jobs were well done. This figurine has brown hair, a yellow necklace, pink tank top, blue pants, and yellow shoes. Her stand says Barbie and it's in the signature Barbie pink, and these figurines are finished all the way around. The new figurines seem to be the same height as the previous ones, which is 3 inches tall, and you can see how it compares in height to a Barbie Land Mini, and the difference in height to a Barbie Extra Mini Mini. Here's our next figurine. This doll has blonde hair and it looks like her eyes are blue, and she has on a sleeveless blue shirt, a pink belt, a yellow skirt, and black shoes, and she comes on the same stand as the previous figurine. And here's what this doll looks like from the back. And I completely missed the eye color detail when I was purchasing these dolls in the store. I didn't realize that they had varying eye colors. Here's number 3. She has brown curly hair, large white earrings, is wearing a yellow dress with pink flowers on it, and has blue shoes. And here's what she looks like from the back. Here's number 4. She has brown hair, wears a yellow necklace, a pink shirt, and a white skirt. It looks like it has some texture to it. And she wears yellow shoes. And here's what she looks like from the back. When I noticed that these two were wearing the same necklace, I thought they were the same face mold, just in different outfits, but when you look very closely, they are different face molds. And in case you're wondering, here's one of the figurines compared to a regular size Barbie. And here's number 5. She has blue hair, and if you look closely, you can see their sunglasses. Her shirt is pink, black, and white. It has a little peplum at the bottom, and her blue skirt matches her hair. And she wears black boots. And here's what she looks like from the back. Here's number 6. She has blonde hair, and from the side you can see it's in a high ponytail. She's wearing a white dress with pink and red flowers, and one strap is thinner than the other one. And she wears white shoes. Here's what she looks like from the back. Here's number 7. She has curly brown hair and wears a blue romper. I think the romper is supposed to be distressed denim because all of the dolls like this in my store had these distressed or highlighted areas on the romper. And she does have bracelets on her arm. They're just the same color as her skin. And she wears black sandals. Here's what she looks like from behind, and you can see her romper does have back pockets. Here's number 8, and I do believe she's a curvy Barbie. She has blonde hair and is wearing a white t-shirt with 4 pink stripes across the front. She has a yellow skirt and is wearing black shoes. And here's what she looks like from behind. These are all of the new Barbie figurines that I found at my local Dollar Tree. I am on the hunt for more, as well as the Monster High Cleo. So my friends, let me know what you think about these new Barbie figurines from the Dollar Tree. And if you have any questions about anything in this video, please leave it in the comments below. I will try my best to answer your questions. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. I'll see you next time, my friends. Bye-bye.